Welcome to my video, and today we are going to review and unbox very cool stuff for the cars, for especially the cars which people likes to make as a sports. So yeah, this is a normal stuff under $10, and what this thing is actually is a turbo sound. So you know that the turbo is very costly to fit into your car, but some people like that turbo noise, like I like it. So what you can do to make a sound like that? So here it is, the solution for that. This small cool device fits into your exhaust, and you can do that by your hand, very easy. I'm going to demonstrate that, how to do that and how it sounds like. And it's actually going to convert your car sound into a supercharger turbo sound. So yeah, that's what this thing is, and it's going to fit like that. It's very easy, you can do with the hand. As you can see, there are different sizes for the cc. Now my vehicle is 16 more than 16,000, so the recommended M size. So this is the M size. There is a small, medium, large and XL size. So yeah, my car fits for a medium size. So yeah, that's what this thing is for. So let's go ahead and let's take this thing out. So let me just cut this seal and let me come back. Okay, I'm back, and I took those seals off from these all sides, and then it comes off like that. So yeah, we actually get the device itself, and there is one small screw and a small stuff over there. Okay, and yeah, there is a user manual, and yeah, it goes like that into your silencer from rack. You can do that with your hand. I'm going to demonstrate that, how to do that. So yeah, here it is, that stuff. You can see here, you can fit it very nicely, and actually it goes, this is the silencer, and goes from back like that, and you need to screw it. Okay, and yeah, I'm definitely going to show you that. Yeah, that's what the device is over here. Let's keep that there. Yeah, here it is, a small screw kind of stuff, which I still don't know how to fit that, but yeah, I will show you. Let me read the manual bit, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I found after some time that why they gave actually this nut. As you can see, if you rotate this thing, this comes out, okay, and goes back. If you throw the air in it, you can see the voice. Saw that? So adjust the voice a little bit different. What you need to do is just screw it, and as you can see, there is one hole over here. Okay, after you're done fixing it like so, as you want, because the pipe goes out and in bit and sound changes a little bit, then after that, there you can see that there is one hole over there. Whole side will go up, and you just go here and screw it, and this is actually is a screwdriver kind of stuff. Just do like so, okay, until it fits nicely. Okay, like so. And yeah, now that screw it totally tight, and now this will not come out, it is jammed now. Okay, that's what this thing was. And yeah, nice, perfect. And yeah, now we will fit this into our car's muffler, and I'll make a video of that also. So let me do that. Okay, I'm back, and now how to set this stuff out. Okay, you just need one stuff like this, or take your another stuff. See a hinge over here, as you can see there are two nuts over there. Just let it go, this stuff like this, into it with a silencer, and yep, and then just you fit it. So let me fit it, and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see that I have tightened it, and now I will just fire my engine, and let's see how it sounds like. as you can see, it sounds like a turbo. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later, guys.